you for your purchase of Dash Cutie Baby Walker. This sturdy material walker comes with beautiful and bright colors. Please follow this instruction video carefully to assemble the product and know its amazing features. This exciting product is assembled by using these parts. You also need a screwdriver with regular and star shape. First, fix all of the 8 sturdy base wheels at the bottom of the walker body. Next, open the walker body by pulling it vertically. The height can be adjusted up to 4 levels as required by pressing and sliding the metal button beneath the walker. Then, attach the seat into the attachment slots, which can be easily removed for cleaning. Now, insert 2 AA batteries in the multifunctional tray and connect it to the main body to activate the fun music and LED lights. And for finishing touch, attach the provided rattle on multifunctional tray. The Cutie Walker is now ready for your baby. Dash Ride, Kids' Pride.